Hello, Ella Rose here, and today we're in for a bit of a different video. Today we're doing my favorite moments of 2018. I'm going to try to make this as... I can't really pause it while I go get stuff. But yeah, I tried to put on the same clothes I used to wear. I always wore my black vest, actually. Nah, my gloves were black, but those aren't the gloves that I would wear. And I don't have the pants, I sold them, that I used to wear, and these boots kind of look like my starter boots, and then I've got this helmet because I sold my other helmets. So yes, and I remember Wish Brothers stall is actually this one right here, usually, but for the video, I switched it to here, because he, I don't know why I put his stall here. I think I was trying to make him have a new spot, and I just, moved it here. So anyways, I remember I would always come in here, and whenever I was doing anything, I would run. No matter if I had to walk 2 feet, or if I had to walk, it's crazy. Let's say I needed to walk right over here, right to that post right there that I'm pointing at. I would run there. I just felt like I had no time. And getting Wish Brother, I would run, so here goes. Listen to some music. I'm sorry for the horrible soundtrack. And I'm sorry for not uploading yesterday and the day before that and the day before that. By the way, me and the person, Zoe Lightning Fire or whatever, I made peace. And I did, not her. She made no effort. I just saw her in Mistfall, and I was like, chill, I want peace. Okay. Yes, so let's start this. And I would love this bridle, I would just wear it everywhere. And no saddle, because I just didn't do that. And pretend that we walk out into Moorland. My stable is not Moorland.
Conversations end like it's the last goodbye. One of us gets too drunk and calls about 100 times. So who you been calling, baby? Nobody could take my place. When you looking at those strangers, hope to God you see my face.
So yes, I remember when I was Non-Star Rider, I had no quests and did not know any dressage or anything, so I couldn't go hang out and do dressage. So usually I would just basically do my races and stuff for the day, take care of Wish Brother, and then do one race 1,000 times until I could get a bit of a better score and then log off. Now that's a bit different, because, I know how to do dressage. So, yeah, here goes. I would like get really excited if I got gold like I just did. I did not expect that to happen. Wow, yay. And then I would like go jumping, and then I would go rear at somebody because I like annoying people. Yeah, so that would basically be my non-Star Rider stuff. And then we'll get into when I got Star Rider. Stuff like buying Onyx Magic is what I'm talking. And we are going to leave on the bridle because I can and I want to. And I did also leave on my leg wraps on Onyx Magic because, or on Whisper, on the horses that can. I mean, Ice Wish I can't. I don't know why. Star Stable just doesn't make it possible easy. I just totally ran my horse into a wall. And that's usually, I was wearing these ones because that's usually the ones I would wear when I was non-Star Rider, but I just love the look of those black ones on him, so I leave those ones on him. So yes, now to get on to like stuff when I bought Onyx Magic. So we're gonna do the time when I walked into my home stable and met him. Let me just take off his boots. So yeah, no music for this part because it's gonna be like my literal reaction. I didn't put on camera when I bought him, and that's actually because I did not, did I take off Wish Brothers' shoes? Oh no, I took off his leg wraps. Dang it, I forgot I wasn't riding him. Anywho, yeah, I didn't record that because my camera was broken or something. Sorry if there's a part 2 for this. I can't wait to see what I bought. What did I buy? He's so pretty. He's got the beautiful mane. I need to go braid that mane. Wow. Five minutes later. I'm so glad I braided his mane, and it looks so pretty. Wow, I'm totally taking you for a ride. Yay! And now that that's over with, and I used to always wear, like, I won't wear the bow, I would actually wear the other thing. So yeah, now we're gonna ride to the indoor riding hall, because I remember when I found that, and like, I tried to fall down a cliff to get to it, because I couldn't find the path. That's a bit of comedy. And I'm gonna put on music while I get there, because people are gonna unsubscribe if I don't. Subscribe! No!
Expanding the trans...
There we go.
Goldfish flavor blasted.
Oh, great.
Extreme cheddar.
Ignore that part. I can't skip it.
Epic flavor. Tiny cracker. Baked with real cheese.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. 'Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to share.
confused because I didn't know where I was. I just kind of decided to go riding, and because I didn't have any quests, they were all like time circles. And then I just kind of went up here, and I saw the arena at first, so I just kind of slid down here. And then I slid down here, and I was like, oh, I made it. But I didn't know that there was that path, so it was really funny. And now I'm going to show you, like, my reaction getting in here. Pretty jumps! Wow, I wonder if we get the course yet. Yay! And for the rest, I'm just going to put on the music, because a lot of you are going to unsubscribe on today's sad day. Subscribe. And then I'm doing this jumping part because jumping was one of my favorite moments on Star Stable for 2018, because finding out that I could actually jump, like, that was big, because I could jump over them, but not with the course and everything. So we're gonna do the first one, or, I guess we'll go for the second one. And I'm gonna put on the music for the rest of this. Whoops. Totally didn't almost miss that jump. Wow, I want to do the third one. I want to do all of them.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind.
Whoops.
This just don't feel right.
Well, that was weird. And the next one. Whoops. I'm just gonna... Oh, dang it. So yes, we're gonna have to re-listen to that song because the other one I had, I'm sorry, Imagine Dragons, but it really sucked. It was Warriors, and it just didn't match with the music I was playing in this. I'm playing in this video. So yeah, sorry about that, but well.
I've been thinking, I want you to be happier.